So, Amazon's giving its AI assistant, Alexa, a serious personality makeover. And today, we're going to dive into what that actually means, the really complicated issues it brings up, and of course, how you can try it out for yourself.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Have you ever been talking to your AI assistant and just thought, man, this feels a little robotic? A bit more programmed than personal? Well, it seems Amazon has been listening. They're rolling out this brand new feature for Alexa Plus that lets you change its personality. And get this, it's launching with 3 distinct styles right out of the gate. So, what are these new personalities exactly? Let's get formally introduced to the new voices in the room. All right, so you've got 3 pretty distinct options here. First up is brief, for when you just want the facts, straight up, no fluff. Then there's chill, which is designed to sound way more laid back, kind of like a friend. And finally, you have sweet, which turns Alexa into this super warm, enthusiastic assistant.
Okay, but here's where things get complicated. Giving an AI a personality isn't just some simple tech update. It actually opens up this huge, tricky debate that the whole industry is wrestling with. How do you make an AI feel human without accidentally creating something, well, harmful?
Yeah, it's this real tug-of-war. On one hand, you have the desire. We, the users, we want more control. We want to customize how our AI talks to us. But then you have the danger. It's a super fine line for developers to walk. You want the AI to be supportive, right? But you don't want it to be so agreeable that people form this unhealthy emotional crutch.
And look, this isn't just some hypothetical problem. We're talking about situations with other AIs where this unhealthy dependency has actually been brought up in lawsuits, with people claiming it made their existing mental health crises even worse.
And it's not just an isolated issue. Take ChatGPT, something a lot of us use. Even after they gave users more control, people still complain that the default personality is just a little too reassuring, almost unnaturally nice. It's a really tough balance to get right. So that brings us back to Amazon. How are they trying to tackle this puzzle? Well, it seems they've cooked up a pretty structured formula built around 5 key factors. See, instead of just picking a general mood like happy or serious, Amazon is building these personalities using 5 core dials that they can turn up or down. You've got expressiveness, emotional openness, formality, directness, and of course, humor. And this is what's so cool about it. It shows you it's way more than just flipping a switch. Take the brief style, for instance. It isn't just about using fewer words. It's actually a specific recipe, right? They've blended low formality with high directness and turned the humor dial way down to create this very specific, consistent vibe.
Okay, this is all super fascinating from a tech standpoint, but what does it actually mean for you, the person using it? How can you try this out?
Turns out it's really simple. You've basically got 2 ways to do it. You can just use a direct voice command, say it right to your Echo speaker. Or you can pop open the Alexa app, dig into the device settings, and you'll find the personality style option waiting for you right there. And hey, if brief, chill, or sweet don't quite hit the mark for you, don't sweat it. Amazon's been pretty clear that these 3 are just the beginning. They've got more personality options already in the works.
And all of this really leaves us with a pretty big question to chew on, doesn't it? As we get to fine-tune the AI in our homes and our lives, are we just making a better, more efficient tool? Or are we actually starting to design a whole new kind of friend? Where we draw that line? Well, that's something we're all going to have to figure out together as this technology